Hey gems, welcome back. It's Lorena. Today I'm here with a palette bingo video. This is my first one of this type, and honestly I have way too many eyeshadow palettes that I'm not using, I don't reach for. I tend to gravitate to the same like 5, and so when I've seen quite a few videos of this, and I decided, you know what, I need to get on that bandwagon because I need to start using some of my older products too. And I got a pretty old palette actually. All I did was go to Google, put in random generator, counted my palettes, and then put in the numbers 1 to 36. Yes, that's how many palettes I have. Let's not tell my boyfriend, girl. Let's keep that between us. So yeah, and it gave me the number 10. So all I did was start counting again from number 1 to 10. Grabbed the palette. I did come up with the Wet n Wild Going in the Wild. This was limited edition. I don't even know how long ago, girl. Yeah, and I've only used it a few times, so I did use this to get ready today, and I really like the look that I came up with, but I've had this palette for quite a while, and my thoughts are not quite what they were when I originally purchased it. So if you want to see how I use the randomly selected palette to create this look, then just keep watching and stick around for the end, because I will give you guys my final thoughts on the palette. Am I keeping it? Am I gonna let it go? All that good stuff. I'm gonna try to do that with most of these, but yes, let's get into the actual demo portion. And again, don't forget to stick around, and of course don't forget to subscribe, click the like, and hit the notification bell, because girl, you need to join the Gems fam. Alright, now let's do this. Alright gems, so final thoughts on this palette. It took quite a bit to build this up. Like, it is not a fresh palette. As a matter of fact, I think she's expired. I'm just going to put that out there. I think that the formula has changed because they were not this powdery. They did not have the kind of fallout that it had when I was applying these when I used them years ago. Like when I first got this thing was on point. But at this point, I just feel like she's old. She needs to be retired and let go of because the formula is definitely not what I remember it being. And at this point, it's almost like a safety hazard to keep it. Like, I like the eyeshadow look that I came up with, but yeah, I don't think I should be keeping this because it's been a while since she came out, and although she was just sitting there, I feel like the product itself kind of has changed just through like deterioration over the years. Like it's just, yeah, it's not a keeper. So I like the look. I thought it was fun. I'm going to keep doing this because I think it's a great way to, again, rediscover products like this that may be expired or maybe you just haven't used it in a long time. You know, a lot of us think, oh, eyeshadows don't go bad. No, girl. This is proof. It's not the freshest eyeshadow. So I'm going to let this go, but I'm going to keep doing this series, so keep an eye out for it by clicking the subscribe and hitting the notification bell. And if you enjoyed this and want to see other videos like it, don't forget to hit that like or leave me a comment down below, or do both. I'd appreciate it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the look the rest of your day. I will see you in the next video and talk to you soon.